Sold to the highest bidder.
We recently purchased this 2004 Subaru WRX through Copart. We chose the WRX for many reasons. Having become one of the world's most desired and sought-after vehicle among Subaru racing enthusiasts worldwide, this popularity is fueled by its style, speed, and exceptional value. Plus, the benefit of increased values when repaired, upgraded, and made ready to really run. To get it where we wanted it, performance and appearance-wise, and ready for a profitable sale, it required a fair amount of work in repair and improvements. No one will ever mistake this WRX for anything but a highly visible, head-turning, high-speed, fantasy-inducing, radical ride, ready to run or sell for fun and profit. Copart makes it possible to acquire, rebuild, and resell to feed my love and passion for the car. To produce the car you see here, we began with a little bodywork, repairing the right front fender, then pulling, repairing, and aligning the left rear quarter panel, adding a new rear bumper. Then the entire car was plasti-dipped in blaze orange and flat black, with the wheels dipped to match the flat black on the body. Mechanically, we started with a complete tune-up, then upgraded to a custom ECU tune, adding a free-flowing cold air intake, a larger capacity turbo combined with adjustable boost controller, and a larger exhaust system to focus the voice of this more powerful machine. Did I mention the STI Brembo calipers we added to help stop this road-tastic beast? Why rebuild? Because I love it. Copart makes it possible, but I make it happen.